guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite gal in the building. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see guys, my hair is looking messed up. It's looking a bit ratchet, a bit old. There's a lot of growth, and if you have soft hair, you might also relate to this, that within 3 weeks or 2 weeks after you've done the braids, then your hair already starts to look a bit untidy. But do not worry, do not fear. I am here to save the day, okay? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a way of how to refresh your braids in 30 minutes, guys. You don't have to redo your braids from scratch, but you just have to follow this method and your braids will be looking brand new. So I decided to wash my hair, and my hair is smelling really great. I used the Zuri's African black soap, which has olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and glycerine, but you don't have to wash your hair if you don't want to. So the first thing that I'm going to do is section my hair into 4 parts so that it's just easier to work with, and just to make sure that I get all the products into the right places. And now the second thing that I'm going to do is oil my scalp using the MPL oil. This oil, you guys, is so good. I've been using this product ever since I was young, and it's just always worked for my hair. It's got a lot of good oils in this product, so I would really recommend that you get this oil. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my scalp. I'm not going to put too much of it because I don't want a product buildup. So I just think this amount is fine for just one section. So the third thing that I'm going to do now is spray this mixture that I have onto my hair. So in this mixture there's water, MPL oil, olive oil, and the avocado and carrot essential oil. So I'm going to spray this mixture focusing on the tips of my hair because I did wash my hair, and so now my hair is dry. So I'm just making sure that my hair is nice and moisturized. So now that we're done with moisturizing our hair and our scalp, we are good to go. So for this method you need rubber bands. If you don't have rubber bands, then this method will not work. And if you just want to be on the creative side, you can obviously get colorful rubber bands if you'd like. With the rubber bands that I'm holding, I got them from Clicks, and I spent 50 Rand, and there were 300 rubber bands. With these current rubber bands that I'm holding, I bought them from Dischem, and I was so not happy with them because they would just easily snap whilst your hair is tied up. They would just snap and your hair would just like fall, because I mean it snapped. So I really wouldn't recommend them, but rather I'd recommend the ones from Clicks. So for the moment that we've all been waiting for, so this is how you would make your braids look fresh again. You would take one piece of rubber band and you would just pull all the hairs around that braid together, and then you would take the rubber band and then you would tie it around your hair. So you just tie it and making sure that it's not too tight because you don't want to cause any tension to your scalp, neither to your edges. So you would just make sure that you tie it and make sure that it is secured. That is it. That is how you make your braids look fresh again. That's how your scalp looks so nice and brand new. And you can't even see the rubber band, obviously, unless someone will shine a torch on you. But this is how it looks. You can already see the difference compared to how the other braids look, and it's just a very quick and efficient method. And that is how you make your braids look fresh again. So I am done doing these braids now, and it just saved me a whole lot of time, guys. You know, I did these braids myself and I don't really have anyone doing braids for me, so I just decided to do braids myself. And just doing this method really helped because I didn't have to take the braids out, buy more hairpiece, and then still do them myself. So I just instead did this, and my scalp looks brand new, my scalp looks clean and fresh, and I'm so happy. And if you're a lazy person, then this can work for you, or if you're busy, then this can work for you. If you don't even really like doing hair, then this can also work for you. So I am definitely going to be doing this every time I do braids. It just saves me a whole lot of time, guys. You know, doing braids takes like the whole day. So yeah, this is really, it really saved my life, guys. So tell me your thoughts down below, guys. Are you willing to try this or not? Or would you rather just take out the braids and then just do everything from scratch? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all your support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out all the other videos that I've posted. Make sure to subscribe, guys, so that you don't miss out on the content. I will see you in my next video. Bye.